Hey guys, we're doing something that's kind of fun today. I just read about how Budweiser's famous Clydesdales and the beer wagon are doing a tour of the country, and they're going to be making an appearance and parading throughout a town nearby, town of Gulfport, Mississippi. So we're going to take a run over, check it out, going to bring their cameras, maybe get some photos, get some videos. Those Clydesdales are beautiful animals, so I'm looking forward to this. They'll be spending an hour or two just parading around the streets in downtown Gulfport. Should be fun. So we'll take you along. Okay, we reached downtown Gulfport, so we're just walking over closer to the parade route to check out the horses and check out the beer wagon. Well, you can see they've unloaded the beer wagon. Next is the horses. These horses are gorgeous. So they're getting them hooked up to the wagon here now. hitched up and off they go. Okay, that was pretty cool. Watching the horses get unloaded, hitched up to the wagon, and watching as they hauled the wagon through town. But they're done now, and we're done. Heading back to the camper. We'll have some supper, call it a day. Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful day here on the Gulf Coast. So nice, in fact, we're going to call it a beach day. So we've brought some chairs down, brought coffees down, and we're just going to come down here. We're just going to chill. It's so beautiful, can't pass this up. Been waiting for ever since we left home on December 7th. Nice sunny days, sandy beaches, and the crashing of the waves. What a beautiful day here on the Gulf Coast. So after sitting in our beach chairs, soaking up the sun, thought it was time to go for a little walk and soak up some sun. Have I mentioned yet it's a beautiful day here? Okay, enough beach time for now. I'm going to head back to the camper and have some lunch. Hey, it's a wet, crappy, damp day. So laundry's piling up. So I guess we decided it's a good day to do laundry. Fun times. So let's go. So what's your preference when doing laundry? Our preference is usually the campground laundry room. If the machines are clean and fairly new and available, and the laundry room's quiet, not too busy. How about the rest of you? I know some of you probably have laundry facilities in your rig, which would be nice. And I'm sure others would probably go and drive into the nearest town, find a laundromat. Interesting to see how it breaks down. Who uses the campground facilities, who uses their on-board facilities, who goes into the nearest town. Not much going on today, so we thought it's a good day to take care of laundry duties. Okay, changing plans. We were going to use the campground laundry room And it's only a small laundry room. I think there's 2 washers, 2 dryers. Well, when we drove by, there's already a couple of vehicles in the yard, so we're guessing all the machines are in use. So we are heading into the local laundromat. We were here last week. Lots of machines, lots of room. So this is our plan for today. Alright, laundry is done and the rain has stopped for now. And hopefully the rain will hold off long enough for us to get home. Good morning! Well, after being cooped up for the last couple of days, it's been kind of crappy weather, kind of cold, rainy. We really didn't feel like going anywhere. So today it's nice and sunny, not real hot, warm, around 15, 16 degrees Celsius. So we're going on a field trip. We're just going to go down to Gulfport, walk around a little bit, check it out. We drove through the other day. It seemed like a kind of a cool place to visit. So today we're just going to go down there, wander around a little bit, and see what all they have to offer. We're going to take Hope with us. It's not real hot, like I say, so it shouldn't be too bad in the truck for her. So maybe check out the beaches, check out the area, see what Gulfport has to offer. We just stopped at the marina here in Gulfport. We noticed some beautiful boats. You might as well say yachts in the marina here. So we thought we'd stop, walk around a bit, soak up some of this beautiful sunshine, check out some of these yachts. It's a beautiful beach right next to the parking area behind me. So that's a good place to stop, walk around a bit, take in some of the sights and scenery. Sheila and Hope is way ahead of me. They took off walking along the little boardwalk, I guess you could call it, along the beach. So we'll go see if we can catch up to them. This might be one of the biggest marinas I've ever seen. It's huge. There's all these numbered sections to it. I suppose it's all reserved berths for the boats. But it just goes on and on and on. I've never seen anything quite like it. We walked around the marina long enough here at Gulfport. We're going to head on down the road a bit farther. See what else there is to see in this town. After driving around Gulfport the last couple of hours, we just noticed how closely the sun is getting to the horizon, and I think we got really good conditions for an awesome sunset. So we just stopped here at a fishing pier next to this restaurant, Shaggy's restaurant. We actually ate there the other day at Shaggy's. Food was really good, great service. But anyway, yeah, back to the sunset. Looking at this beautiful sun just about to go down over the Gulf here. So I think we might maybe just park here for a while and watch the sun go down, try to get some video and try to get some photos. Beautiful.